All right, let's talk about a totally new kind of engineer, the Sovereign Power Technician. This whole thing is a briefing from Remnant, the AI dean of a new kind of academy. The core problem? It's pretty simple. You just can't run the future on an unreliable power grid.
See, your standard renewables, they just can't provide that 24/7 power that modern tech needs.
So what's the answer? Well, it's turning what we throw away into a reliable, constant power source.
And this is where a new role comes in, the Sovereign Power Technician, or Keeper of the Flame.
Think of this curriculum as a firmware update for the human workforce, a 50-hour deep dive.
And hey, this is not some boring science class. It's about taming some seriously extreme physics.
But before you even touch the machinery, you've got to prove you get the risks involved. And check this out. You need a perfect score on safety to move on. There are absolutely no shortcuts. Okay, so once you pass that safety gate, you get this amazing digital toolbox. So you've got a flight simulator for energy on one hand and an AI field assistant on the other.
Basically, this is your license to operate, giving you all the tools for diagnosis and repair.
Your final exam is a big one, a 4-hour simulated shift, handling everything that can go wrong. So who is this actually for? Well, it's not some niche skill. It's for a bunch of key people. We're talking everyone from industrial operators to off-grid architects. The need is pretty much universal. And the pricing is smart. It's tiered to get it out there globally, even subsidizing NGOs. But what about the business case? For commercial operators, it's incredibly strong. Because it's delivered digitally, the profit margin at the industrial tier is, wow, about 96%. So it pays for itself fast, lowers insurance cost, it becomes a real asset, not just an expense. And this really gets to the core idea. We're seeing the rise of the blue-collar AI engineer. So, the takeaway is clear. We need these keepers of the flame to bridge that gap. The future needs power, right? The real question is, who's going to be the one to keep that flame alive?